Hello everyone, I am Prasoon Gautam, Transportation Manager from HARTING. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. And this is called as the HAN connectors, which is the bread and butter of the HARTING, which we are supplying since decades. So these comes into a two types. Like one is the monoblocks and other is the modular connectors. So in monoblocks, you can just see that only the one kind of application can be catered. But in the modular, if you see here, then you can cater different types of application. These are the communication connectors which we are dealing. We are manufacturing M12, M17, M23 as well. Okay. So in this, the different type of codings are there: A code, D code, L code, which we all have into our scope. Now coming on to this, we are doing the overmolded cable assemblies or LAN cables also, which comes in the sizes from 1 meter to 40 meter in a prefabricated form. Otherwise, which can we can customize also if required. We are manufacturing into two different categories. Like first of all is the electrical products, and second one is the electronics product. Then thirdly, it comes around like we are also doing the HARTING customized solution that involves all the cable harnessing and wiring for different segments. Like for example, railways is the prevalent segment in which we are having around 70% of the total market in India. Secondly, now we are coming with the wind. Third is the data center and automation